You're listening to an AppleVis podcast.
Hi everybody, welcome to this demonstration for Cisco Packet Tracer, which is used for Cisco courses and doing the CCNA exam. I found this software is inaccessible with VoiceOver in some areas, and I have planned to do this demonstration for you, and I wish you success in your exam.
Finder. One system.
Okay,
Dialog
so
display.
we have to go to the Finder for sure to open Cisco Packet Tracer from the Applications folder.
Calculator.app. Cisco Packet Tracer 8.2.0.
You'll find it as a folder. The folder contains like the license and everything that comes with the software itself. So just
Cisco Packet.
open the folder and you'll find the app at the beginning of
Open.
the folder.
One system dialog displayed. Application. Environment Shift plus E. Environment Shift plus E.
Press, tab twice. Okay. Maybe you'll be asked to log in. If you have asked to log in, please fill in your credentials, and then you will be presented with the window that I have right now, which is the workspace.
One system dialog displayed.
The workspace is like any workspace. It's how you can deal with the devices that you want to put in your topology, and how you can connect them together. You can connect the devices and configure each device by itself. So do the configuration for the topology, and you can select
One system dialog
the
display.
specific port. However, this window depends on drag and dropping, which does not work for sure with VoiceOver. So the solution for this is to go to the workspace list, which is like this workspace, but it's converted to the drag and dropping way by a more accessible way, although it has some accessibility issues, but it's
One system
at
dialog
least
displayed.
much accessible than this one. It's converted to a drop-down menus and tables, which is a little bit easier. Okay, how can we go to the workspace list? Is shift the value.
Workspace list.
Yes, we are now on the workspace list. So we'll have to turn off.
Quick nav on. Quick nav off.
We have to turn off quick nav, so we can navigate inside the
One system dialog
drop-down
displayed.
menus, because the drop-down menus in here you can't use the V or Q with them. Anyway, I would prefer if you will use the tab to navigate between the items here and use the space bar to select. If you are not used to this and you want to use the V or key and the arrows and whatever,
One system dialog displayed.
that's fine. But I would prefer here if you use a tab and the space bar, because it will make things much easier. Anyway, let's add the device. Before we add the devices, let's again the topology that we'll be creating. We'll be having two LANs and one WAN. The first LAN consists of a router and a switch and PC. All of the LANs consist of a router, a switch, and a PC. The first LAN is a wired LAN, normal wired LAN. It's like normal Ethernet, the one that we know. And the other LAN is fiber. The one is a normal wired Ethernet. Okay, so the special case here
Dialog displayed.
is the second LAN, which depends on fiber. So I'll have to replace the modules and do everything. We'll see everything later. Anyway, let's add the devices. We'll add for the routers, we'll add two devices for the router. We'll add the first router, 1941 for the first LAN, and the empty router for the second LAN.
Add devices. Add device.
Okay, let's add a device.
Routers. Combo box.
The first
Add
thing
one system.
and the device window is the type of the device
18.
and the model of the device. The type of the device is switch, router, access point, wireless access point, and devices.
Routers.
We are now represented to the routers as the first thing in the list here.
1841.
It's 1841, the model of the device. No, we don't
One system
want
dialog display.
1841. Let's check the next one. How to check the next one is to go by the down arrow. Just keep in mind you have to turn off quick now. Okay, turned off quick now, and we press down arrow. But voiceover is not pronouncing anything. It's okay. Just press down arrow and VO key, so voiceover can tell you. Oh,
Combo box. One system dialog display.
yeah, it's better to press down arrow and the VO key, because if you have pressed any key like the VO and A keys, it would say combo box. It will not tell you what is the item that is currently the cursor is in. Anyway, let's press down arrow and VO.
One system dialog. 1941.
1941. Yes, this is the one that we want. Okay, let's add the device. Let's add tab, add space. That's added. Okay. Don't worry, that doesn't give you any notice, but it's added. No problem. Let's go back to the model. We want a router, so press R. No, we're already in the top of the router, but in the model, we have to press R and then down arrow.
Router PT empty.
And down arrow and V also, you can hear what we are on top of, which is
Router PT empty.
router PT empty. Yes.
Add.
Routers.
Combo box.
Okay. For the switches, we'll add 2960, 2960, and the second for the second LAN, we'll add the empty switch. Okay. The next one in the type of the device menu is switches. So
2960-24 TT.
yes,
Combo
this
box.
is the one we want.
Add
it directly. Okay.
2960-24 TT. Combo box.
We'll do the same for the switches. We'll press S in the model, and then down arrow.
One system dialog. Switch PT empty.
Switch PT empty. Yes, good.
Add.
Switches.
Combo box.
Okay. And press. Now we are back in the end devices. We are back in the device tab of the device list. Here we have to go to the end devices, so we can add the two PCs.
PCPT. Combo box.
PCPT. Yes, this is the
add
device that we want. Two PCs.
One system dialog displayed.
Space. Okay.
Close. Add box. Remove link. Add link. Console. Combo box. Add link.
I have closed the add device, and I move to the add link window. The first thing is the type of the wire, type of the connection, and
router 0. Combo
the
box.
second thing is the origination device.
Guide other than 0. One system dialog displayed.
Third thing that you'll find is the origination port.
Router 0.
And then the destination device.
Guide other than 0/0.
Destination port.
Connect.
Okay. So how to keep in mind where the
connect.
Destination and origination port, so we can make a successful connection. Anyway.
Console. Close. Console. Combo box.
I'll go back now here to the type of the wire. For sure, I will be connecting the first LAN right now. So I will select copper straight through, which is the next one.
Copper straight through. Combo box.
So how to check is by pressing the
one system dialog display.
VO, as I told you before.
Router 0. Combo box.
Okay, router 0 is fine.
Guide other than 0/0. Combo box.
Fine.
Router 0. Combo box.
No, let's change it to switch. Let's press S.
Switch 0.
Yes, switch. Good.
Fast heading at 0/1.
Fine.
Combo box. Connect. Console. Close. Console. Combo box.
Again, copper straight through.
Copper straight. Router 0. Combo box. One system dialog displayed.
Then switch.
Fast heading at 0.
we don't have to check because if you want to check, you can check, no problem. But we don't have to check because previously when we pressed S, it says switch. But if you want to check,
Switch 0.
no problem.
Fast and then 0/2.
It's up to you. You just press down arrow and VO. Okay. The OGS report is fine.
Router 0. Combo box. One system dialog displayed.
Let's change this to PC. PC 0.
Power distribution device 0. Combo box.
P again.
PC 0. Combo box.
Okay. I have pressed P twice. The letter P twice to reach PC 0.
Fast and then 0.
Fast return 0 is fine. No problem.
Console.
We are done.
Add link.
Let's connect the console. It's not important, but, actually. It's better to use the Cisco Packet Tracer provides you with you can go to the device directly and configure it in the terminal. So you don't need the console, but it's the most realistic way. This is the best way. Maybe sometimes in some cases, in the exam or maybe in testing and maybe if you are at the university, if you are doing midterm exam or something, they maybe lock the they may lock the terminal of the device, so you can't go to the device by itself and do the configuration. You have to log in the console. Anyway, no problem. Just keep this in mind. If you don't want to do it, that's fine.
One system dialog displayed.
This is extra stuff. Okay, let's connect the console of the. We don't have much devices here, so I'll choose to have the console connected from the PC to the router. Okay.
Connect. Close. Console. Combo box.
Keep this as the console.
Router 0. Combo box.
Keep this as the router 0.
Guide out Ethernet 0/1.
Change this to
One system dialog displayed.
console. Maybe most of the times for the origination and destination ports, the console is the last one. So press end and right arrow. So press the end key, so which is FN and right arrow.
Console.
Yes, console. Okay.
Router 0. Combo box.
Let's change this to PC.
Power distribution device 0.
So
Combo box.
press P twice, as I told you before.
PC 0. Combo box. One Bluetooth. Combo box.
No, not Bluetooth. Change this to
RS-232.
the next one, which is RS-200.
Connect. RS-232. Connect.
Okay, fine.
Console. Guide out Ethernet
Okay,
0/1.
we are done with
Combo box.
connecting the first LAN. Let's close this and just configure one of the devices in the first LAN. We'll go back to the first, second LAN, and we'll connect the one. There's no problem.
Router 0. Close.
It's most, I think it's better now to configure the devices. Then we can go back to the second LAN. No problem.
Add device.
Okay, let's go to the devices.
Add devices.
Of course, I don't hear anything here. The boss will not hear anything. But let's say that I want to configure the switch. What I will do is to press S here.
One system dialog displayed.
Yes. Now, let me press down arrow and VO.
Switch 0.
Yes, switch 0. This is the one that I want. Okay. Let me press enter here.
Switch 0. Window.
Yes.
Digital.
Now I'm in the switch itself. Here we have 4 tabs, which the first tab is the physical tab.
One system dialog displayed.
This is how the switch is represented in front of you. It has a reset button. It has some modules around it, so you can replace them. This is how the switch is represented in front of you, and if it was in physical, if you have the switch represented in front of you in the real world, this is how it will look like. Okay, it's not important here at the moment. We'll go back to it later. We'll come back to it later. The second one is config. Config is It's a way of configuring the device that you want to configure by
Once
with
dialog display.
by the graphical user interface, which is not the preferable way. I don't prefer this way, and most of the times you will not use them because for the CCNA exam, you'll have to know how to configure the device from by the CLI. But there is something important here, the config.
Auto config.
Just let me de-interact with it. I'll now be using the VO keys. I will not use the space tab here.
Switching.
Inside this tab, especially. Okay, I will be using the tab anywhere, but not inside this tab. Okay.
VLAN database. Unchecked. Switch. Insertion at end of tab.
Enter configuration commands. One
Switching.
End with CNTLZ. Switch. Config.
Okay, sorry.
Display name. Switching. Switch 0. Insertion at end of display name.
Okay, display.
Switch 0.
Hey, can you change the display name? This is different.
One system dialog displayed.
This differs from the host name. This is how the device is displayed. How the device, what is the name of the device current? You can change this. But sometimes I change this when I have a very big topology. Because when I press S, I will be presented with like 15 or 16 switches.
One system
How can I
dialog
know which one is the one that I'm currently working on? Maybe I will be, the suggested way is to write like lab switch or first floor switch or second floor switch. So you can now, if you have pressed F, you will be presented with the first floor router, first floor switch, first floor, anything that is related to first floor. This is the most preferable way. This is
One system dialog displayed.
the way that I would prefer. Okay, so I would not change it, but just keep this in your mind.
Interface. Switching. Algorithm set. Global. Config. Merge file to running. Exports. Load file. Save. Erase. Serial number. Interface.
Here you have the serial number of the device.
Fast and N0/1. Fast and N0. Export startup. Config. Global. Settings. Top. Config.
Okay.
Command plus F6 to XCCL.
The next tab is the CLI. Now I'm presented the CLI. I will do some quick configurations.
Switch. Config. Switch. Config.
Sorry. I will be doing some quick configurations. You should have the devices. You should have the commands by yourself. Maybe you can get them from the lab sheet that you have or the official lab, the official Cisco labs. Anyway, let me configure the device quickly. Do some.
One system
Switch. Config. S1 S1. Config. Eno CNS1. Eno C.
Have now
HS1. Config. S1 S1. Config.
named it to S1.
0% invalid input detected at marker. S1. Config.
And we secure the console line. And do some.
S1. Config line. Process line. Config line. S1. Config line.
Line number.
Percent invalid input detected at marker. S1.
Line
Log
number.
S1. Config line. Exit
Config number.
Config.
One system
Enable S1. Plus
Check
percent
number.
invalid input detected at marker. S1. Config. Enable SS1. Config. Enable secret. Plus
Check
F1. Config. A. P.
Service. Password. Wait. 1 second. Service. Password.
Access system. S
Config number.
Config.
Banner. Passage of the day. Warning.
Manifold W were in the S1. Config.
One system dialog displayed.
HS1.
I can now configure the VLAN and the interfaces of the switch, but this is not important for this case. Just have the secure line and
Size 5 config.
S1
Console Scott S1 copy running destination file.
S1 number.
S1.
iOS command line interface. Work. Cisco Packet Tracer. Window. Time. Work. Show parent. Device table 2 of 6 names. Which zip.
Okay, I'm done with the computer on the first switch. I can configure the router, I guess, by this thing. Okay, let's move now to the second line,
Link.
which is the most important one.
Device table 2 of 6 names.
Of course, we will not link them because the devices are empty, as you know. So we
System
have
dialog displayed.
to add the modules for the devices. Why did I did that? Of course, because we have fiber, so we'll have to put the modules by ourselves. Okay, let me go to the. Let me write R so I can go to
Router 1.
router 1, not router 0, the first one, no, the second one for the second LAN for sure. Okay,
Router 1. Window.
this is the physical tab here.
Power switch. Used to turn this device on and off.
As I told you, the physical tab is like how the device is represented in a particular. So if you have pressed tab several times, you'll find the power switch button.
Power switch.
Turn off the switch. So turns the switch of the router. It's not turned off. It's not working.
The PT router New Mexico 1AM card features dual RJ11 connectors, which are used for top. PT router NM1M. Modules. PT router NM1CE. Modules. Top. Customize icon in left. The PT router.
You can navigate by the tab until you hear
top. Modules.
modules.
PT router NM1M. PT router NM1CE.
Yeah, now we want to look for the module of the device that has fiber. How can we know that? Let me
PT router NM1CFE.
select any. I know this is not our
One system dialog displayed.
but and let me check. Let me show you how we can know which one is the right one. You can press on space. If you heard the name of the module, if you had pressed space and moved back
PT router modules.
by the shift tab until you hear modules. Before modules, you'll hear
Top. Unchecked. The PT router New Mexico 1 CFE module provides one fast Ethernet interface for use with copper media, ideal for a wide range of LAN applications. The fast Ethernet network modules support many internetworking features and standards. Single port network modules offer auto.
So I think this is clear that this is not the one that we want.
PT router NM1CGE. PT router NM1FFE.
It's FFA, okay. FFA. Let me check if it is the right one. Space. Go back.
The PT router New Mexico 1 FFE module provides one fast Ethernet interface for use with fiber media, ideal for top.
Yes. This is the right one. Okay. We have to remember something.
Modules.
Modules. Okay. We are now on top of modules. Let me check how many tabs I have to press to reach the fiber, which is FFE, as we discovered it right now.
PT router NM1FFE.
Yes. This is the first one in the list. This is important to remember.
Workspace list.
You can check if the device is turned off or on because that device's list is actually a table. So you can know which device is turned on or off. If you have pressed, it is in the it is actually in the status of the device in the third column. So press
one system dialog display
twice, and this time you'll have to press tab and shift tab. So
add device table 1 of 6 power off.
Power off. Yes, turned off. Okay, let's
remove show parent slot 0. Combo.
Let's go to the device slot. This is the first slot. I'll be adding the fiber here. We'll press space and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
System dialog displayed.
Because FFE is the first one in the list as we saw before.
PT router NM1 FFE. Combo box.
Yes, the right one. This is
slot 1. Combo box.
Slot 1, I will be adding the normal fiber Ethernet. I already know it's the fourth one in the list.
Slot 1. Combo box.
You can check which one is the right by yourself. Or maybe it's maybe included in your lab sheet.
PT router NM1CGE.
But it should be included.
One system dialog.
Anyway, if it is not, at least you know how to check.
Device table 1 of 6.
Okay, let me press tab. I'm now at the devices table. Let's go to the device again and turn it on.
Router 1. So power switch. Power switch. Workspace list.
Okay, let's go to press S again now.
Switch 0. Device switch 1.
Okay, let's configure the switch. Sorry, let's do the same.
One system dialog displayed.
The switch.
Power switch. Power switch.
So I have turned it off.
The PT switch.
Now we because the module, the location of the module differs from device to device. especially when you have different models of the devices. It should differ. It shouldn't be the same. But for our case, because we have empty, it shouldn't be very
System
much
dialog
different.
displayed.
It's still FFE. So let me check where is FFE here for the switch.
Modules.
Modules.
DT switch 10M cover. DT switch 10M1FG.
Mhm.
DT switch 10M1FE.
Hmm,
DT modules. DT switch 10M1CG.
it's a little bit tricky.
DT switch 10M1FE.
Okay, the first one. Okay,
Workspace list.
this is the first one. Anyway,
Device slots. One system dialog
if we
display.
didn't hear, if you heard slot device slot and didn't hear slot 0, 4, or 6, that means that the device is not selected.
Links.
What to do? You have to select the device again.
Remove link.
How to select the device again is to go to the devices,
Device table 3 of 6.
and maybe you'll be at the top of the device by itself. So you press up arrow, down
One
arrow,
system dialog displayed.
like to be selected,
Add device.
and
Remove link. Add links. DT router NM1FFE. Combo box. Remove. Show parent cluster. Device slots. Links. Add link. Remove link. Device table 1 of 6 NOM router 1.
no, not that one. Okay, let's press S.
Switch 0.
Press again.
Device slot. Switch 1.
Okay.
Removed. Show parent slot 0. Combo box.
If you have lost, just press S twice to reach.
One system dialog displayed.
device.
Slot 0. Combo box.
Okay. We'll add here FFP.
DT switch NM1CG. Combo box.
Oh wow. Oh,
Slot DT switch NM1CG. Combo box.
I'm sure it's fourth one. Okay, how to remove this one is to press up arrow
Slot 0. Combo box. Slot 0. Combo box.
again.
DT switch NM1CFE. Combo box.
I'm not sure where it's
Slot 0.
up arrow.
Slot 0. Combo box. One system dialog displayed. DT switch NM1FFE. Combo box.
Okay.
Slot 1.
Maybe I have pressed 3 times, or I have pressed 5 times. Anyway, if you have if you selected the wrong one, you can remove it by pressing up arrow. No problem.
Slot 1.
Okay.
Combo box.
Let's add for slot 1.
DT switch NM1FFE. DT switch NM1FFE.
It's important to have 2 because we'll connect the PC.
Device table 3 of 6 names. Which one? Switch. Power switch. Customize icon. Power switch. Power switch. Workspace list. Window. Device
Okay, I have turned on the device that add for the PC right now.
PC 1.
I think you got the idea, so we don't have to go to the modules and check which where is the FFE.
Customize icon. Customize icon.
So-
Power switch.
I'll save your
Use
time.
power switch. Workspace list. Window. PC 1.
Okay, I'll save your time and I will turn off the device.
Show parent device slots. Device table. Remove link. Add links.
Sorry.
Remove. Add device table 5 of 6 NAMP 1. PC device table 4 of 6 NAMP 0. PC 1. Show parent left. PT host NM1 CFE. Combo box.
Okay, CSE,
Slot 0.
remove it.
Slot 0. Combo box.
This is a 6th one here.
PT host NM1 FFE. Slot 1/0. Combo box.
That's it.
Device table 5 of 6 now. Customize icon in logical. Customize icon. Power switch. Power switch. Workspace. Show parent. Device. Links. Add link.
Let's connect the devices.
Sold. Combo box. Add link.
Change this to fiber. Press F.
Fiber. Combo
Fiber,
box.
yes.
Router 0. Combo box.
No, router 1.
Power distribution device 0.
No,
Combo box.
press R, no problem.
Router 1. Combo box. Fast Ethernet 0/0. Combo box.
0, 0. Okay, so we'll be connecting the LAN first. Okay.
Router 0. Combo box. Switch 0. Combo box. Switch 1. Fast Ethernet 0/1. Combo box. Connect.
Fine.
Router 0. Console. Router 0. Combo box.
Switch.
Switch 0. Combo box.
No.
Switch 1. Combo box. Router 0. Combo box. Power distribution device 0. PC 0. Combo. PC 1. Combo box. Bluetooth. Combo box. Fast Ethernet 0. Switch 1. Fiber. Combo
I
box.
have changed it. It was Bluetooth. I have changed it to
One system dialog displayed.
Ethernet 0.
Switch 1. Fiber. Connect.
Okay, connect.
Console. Combo box. Add link.
Okay, let's connect now the LAN. The WAN, sorry.
Router 0.
Should go from router 0
Guy Ethernet 0/1. Router 0.
to router 1.
Router 1. Guy Ethernet 1/0.
It's crucial to remember which one is the right fiber, sorry, the right port to connect.
One system dialog displayed.
You can
Connect.
connect without any issues.
Console. Router 0. Close.
Okay, we have connected our topologies
Handling port.
and we configured one of the devices. For let me show you something.
Add device table 506 AMP1.
I have connected PC0, if you remember,
PC0. Device table PC0.
by the console port to router 0, so we can configure the router on PC.
One system dialog displayed.
But there is an issue that I want to show you.
PC0.
Let me press enter the PC. Let's move to that
Config. Attributes. Programming. Desktop.
desktop tab, which is only for the PC. You will not find it. You'll find it in the end devices in general, but you will not find it in the intermediate devices. Anyway,
IP configuration. One system dialog displayed.
let's move
Open the
by
IP configuration
tab until
application.
we reach the terminal.
Terminal. Command prompt. Terminal. Open the terminal emulator application. Close. Minimize.
We have opened the terminal. Just move that by the VO and VO keys and arrows right now.
Port configuration. Import configuration.
Interact with this
Not
one.
database. 8. Okay.
Interact.
Okay.
No problem.
Close. Command plus F6 to F6CO.
Please answer yes or no. Would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? Yes, no.
One system dialog displayed.
You like. With her. With her.
So now we can configure here.
Router number.
Router 100% invalid input detected at marker. Router.
We can configure the router.
Config number.
Enter configuration commands. 1 per line. End with C8 router. Config. Post R1.
Config number.
Config. E on 0% invalid input detected at marker. R1. Config. Lines on 0 R1. Config line. Plus R1. Config. System R1. Config line.
Line number.
Percent invalid input detected at marker. R1. Launch
Line
R1. Exit
Config
R1.
number.
Config. Enable SR1. Plus
Config
R1.
number. One system dialog displayed.
Percent
Config
invalid input detected at marker. R1. Config. Say R1.
Config number.
Config. W.
Right message.
Config number.
Remember message R1. Config.
I now I can go to the interface.
One system dialog displayed.
Gigabyte
Interface DR1. Config. Interface Gigabit Ethernet.
0/0.
0 R1. Config.
I now I can now write IP address and design the schema of the IP addresses and do everything. What I was here,
Size 5 config.
I will exit.
Destination file.
Router number. Desktop. Terminal.
So you can have this way,
Close.
either by the terminal or by the
One system dialog displayed.
by the PC. So it's depends on you, but the PC way, but the console way is the most realistic way, and the easiest way is to configure directly by the devices on the terminal. This feature is provided from Cisco Packet Tracer by itself, so it's not just to keep this in your mind.
One system dialog displayed. Workspace.
Anyway, I think we have configured some of the devices and we have connected all of the topology. So we are done with this. You can continue designing your schema. The schema for designing the scheme for your for IP addressing. So you can do everything by yourself, and you can have the servers.
One system dialog displayed.
At least I think I have covered one of the crucial points here, and the most important things that you have to keep in your mind when you use the Packet Tracer, Cisco Packet Tracer. I wish you success in your exam, and please remember me in your exam. Thank you very much.
This AppleVis podcast has been brought to you by the community of AppleVis.com for the latest in resources and tips and tricks to get you the best experience from your Apple device. Visit www.applevis.com.